Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how's your day? Great? I'm great too. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Azizah Azaro, but you can call me Aza, and I'm from MTS1 Wonogiri. And today, I want to tell you about a story. It is from Central Java. The title is The Legend of Timun Mas. Let's start the story. Once upon a time, in the village, there was a widow named Mbok Srini, and she really wanted a child to keep her company and play with. So she prays every day. But one day, a big green giant named Buta Ijo heard what Mbok Srini was praying for, and then they made an agreement. Hey, I can give you a child, but when she is 6 years old, I will come back to pick her. But how could you give me a child? I'm just a widow. Ha 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 ha. Don't worry. Here, take these cucumber seeds and plant them. And after that, Mbok Srini planted the cucumber seeds, and they grew very fast. And Mbok Srini picked the biggest one. Wow, this cucumber is very big, and it's golden. There's baby inside. I found a baby girl. You're my baby. Your name is Timun Mas. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. 6 years have passed, and the giant came again. Hey, where's the child? She's 6 years old right now. Hey, Mr. Giant, the Timun Mas was too small and skinny to eat yet. Could you come back in 2 years again? All right. Mbok Srini was very sad and didn't want the giant to pick Timun Mas, so she prayed to God. Oh my Lord, please save Timun Mas. Please save her life. Amen. One night, God answered her prayer and told her in a dream that Timun Mas has to meet a hermit in the mountain. And the tomorrow morning, Timun Mas went to the mountain. And after climbing the mountain for many days, she finally met the hermit. He was an old man with white hair and white robe. Timun Mas asked the hermit, how can I avoid being caught by the giant? If the giant comes back, you have to run away as fast as you can. But the giant's steps are too big, and I'll be caught easily. Don't worry, dear. Here, take these 4 small packets and throw it at the giant. Thank you. 2 years have passed, and the giant came again. When Timun Mas saw the giant was coming, she ran away as fast as she could. But The giant noticed and saw that Timun Mas has run away from him. So he chased Timun Mas. Unfortunately, the 3 packets were filled, but the last package, which is the shrimp teeth, drowned the giant. "Ah, please help me! I couldn't get out! My daughter, you finally come back home safely. Thanks God." The story finished. From the story, we can learn that we shouldn't give up easily and always pray to God. Okay guys, I think the story is finished. And thank you for listening the story and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.